Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make creme brulee on the stove. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of heavy cream, 5 large egg yolks, and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Don't forget a vanilla bean or a teaspoon of vanilla extract for that classic flavor. Having your ramekins and a heavy-bottomed saucepan ready will make the process smooth and enjoyable. This method is surprisingly simple and yields delicious results. Now, let's create that silky custard. Begin by gently heating your heavy cream with the vanilla bean or extract in a saucepan over medium-low heat. Don't let it boil. In a separate bowl, whisk your 5 egg yolks with 1/2 cup of sugar until the mixture is pale and thick. This step is crucial for a smooth texture. Slowly pour the warm cream into the egg mixture, whisking constantly to temper the eggs and prevent scrambling. This ensures a perfectly smooth base. With your tempered custard ready, it's time to cook it on the stove. Return the mixture to the saucepan and cook over low heat, stirring continuously with a wooden spoon or spatula. This gentle cooking prevents scorching and ensures even thickening. The custard is ready when it coats the back of your spoon, leaving a clear path when you run your finger across it. Pour the warm custard into your prepared ramekins and chill them in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight, to set. The final and most exciting step is caramelizing the sugar. Once your creme brulee is thoroughly chilled and set, sprinkle about 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar evenly over the top of each custard. Use a kitchen torch to melt and caramelize the sugar until it forms a beautiful, golden brown, glassy crust. Be careful not to burn it. Let the caramelized sugar cool for a few minutes until it hardens. Then, crack that perfect top with a spoon and enjoy your delicious stovetop creme brulee.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.